How hard to find ITOEN's vending machines. Hey guys, I'm at the Kawasaki's Dice building. In this building, there are at least ITOEN's sponsor gyms here. There's ITOEN's vending machines logos. This is a pretty famous, well-known gyms that many people come to play. Let's try to find out where this ITOEN's vending machine is located. I started walking. Usually, when you think about the vending machines, those vending machine is located the easy place to find. So I started walking around this Dice building to see if I'm able to locate these buildings, locate this vending machines. I'm going around this building and see if I'm able to find any vending machines. Okay, this looks like this is the back of the Dice building. I'm walking down here. This is a shopping arcade. Has to be somewhere the vending machine is located. I don't see any vending machines. Let's take a look at on the right. Here you go. I spotted the two vending machines. Is this ITOEN's ones? Nope. This is a Coca-Cola's vending machines. Next one. This is not the ITOEN's. It's a different vendors vending machines. Let's keep walking and trying to find it. So there are the two vending machines outside, but I don't see the ITOEN's vending machines. So going around to see if I'm able to find any other vending machines. I see all the 7-Eleven convenience store and other shops, but I don't see any ITOEN related vending machines outside. If I'm looking at the right and left, but I don't see anything. Here. What's this? It's tires, a DVD, or a returning post box. So I don't see anything is outside. So let's go in. This is the first floor of the Dice building. See if I'm able to locate the ITOEN's vending machines. Looking at the corner, see if I'm able to spot it, and nothing. Okay, so I don't see it. I don't see anything out here. And this is like a Uniqlo. I don't see any, but no one to ask either. So this is gonna be very hard to locate it. So look at it. I don't see none. So let's walk to this aisle. So if I'm able to locate it, but none. This is a post office, like a locker, but I don't see it. It's none so far. So I need to keep looking at some of the corner or some of the floors. So with this first floor, I don't see anything. So so I need to take an escalator to moving up to the second level. This is not the one. No, maybe going down. There's a basement, so let's going down to the basement. At the basement, I don't see anything. So let's walk to the corner, see if I'm able to locate it. I may find somewhere around this corner. That's none so far. Okay, so moving back to different aisle. Nothing. On the noisy place on the right, this is like a pachinko parlor. This is like a legal, the gambling place. I went in there and asked, see if they have like a vending machine. They said they have like a vending machine, but they do not have like a ITOEN. Only they have a Coca-Cola's a vending machine there. So let's moving up to the second floor. Before moving up the second floor, I had a chance to meet the cleaning stuff, but he suggested to check the basement like a pachinko parlor. But I went there. They said they have like a vending machine, but the Coca-Cola's only vending machine. So this is like a second floor. Maybe I should find something here. I see all the shops. Okay, this is a close, but I don't think the vending machine is here. Let's take a walk a little bit farther. So this is the left one is like a shoe store, the ABC shoes. So let's moving on to farther down and see if I'm able to locate it. I don't see anything. Okay, so I may find if I'm moving down all the way. Okay, let's take a look at it. See if I'm able to find something here. Nope, none so far. There is no vending machine on this floor. Okay, looks like I need to go up to the third floor to see if they locate it and see if I'm able to locate the ITOEN's vending machines. It's gonna be very difficult. If you have a time, maybe if you don't have a time, you may give up. So I do have a time, so I will spend the time to locate it, their vending machines. Sometimes the Pokemongo sponsor, when you purchase, let's say like a ITOEN's case, sometimes the 5 minute or 5 milliliter or 600 milliliter bottle of a tea, sometimes you have to purchase maybe last time when you participated in the ITOEN's sponsor special like time research, I have to purchase like 5 of them. So each one uniquely ITOEN's like a bottle of the tea I have to purchase. It has a sticker and the QR code stickers on. So I need to locate it. So walking down this aisle, nothing but all the clothes shop on the right and left. Nothing like I'm able to find any other vending machine related. I don't see anything here. Okay, so this is my third floor. I don't see any. So I need to moving up to the fourth floors. I don't know why the ITOEN's like a vending machine is located so has to be something because you see they have like a ITOEN's like a gym, a sponsored gym is located here. without having anything, ITOEN won't be able to have a in Pokestop or gym either. So moving up to the fourth floor. Okay, this is another clothes shop. Okay, I don't see anything. Okay, let's keep on walking and try to look at something. Nothing. It's all the clothes shop. I don't think they have a ITOENs right here. So moving up to the fifth floor. Okay, this is like a Tsudaya's bookstore space, but it looks like nothing but the books and the DVD. It doesn't. I don't feel like they have vending machines right here. I don't see anything. I can't find it. Okay, so I need to go up to one more, going up to the sixth floors. Okay, here, okay, sixth floor. This is all the dining area. I may find vending machines. Let's keep looking. So I see only all kinds of restaurants, but no signs of like vending machines. Nothing but all the restaurants. There's the Chinese. Where is the vending machines? I don't see anything. I'll just keep on walking until I find it. Okay, I don't see any sign of vending machines located at this floor. All I can do is checking aisle by aisle until I find it. So I know this is the vending machine, but last time I joined ITOEN sponsored time research, there is ITOEN has a Kawasaki office. It's about like a 15-minute drive away from this area. So last time when I joined the ITOEN's vending machines, I went all the way up to purchase like a 5 bottle of the teas. And I was able to join the ITOEN's time research. This is like a top of the floor. This is like a Toho Cinemas. See, this is the last one. Let's check this aisle. Anything? Maybe it has to be some of the corner. Do I see fine? No, I don't see anything right here. So let's keep on moving. On the right corner, the 1, 2, 3, 4 of them, what they're doing, they are the tower. So sometimes if you ask for, they're gonna use all the card or some of the equipment to tell you the fortune teller type. So this is the top 4 ones. This is the top of floor, which the Godzilla -1 is showing at this Toho Cinemas movie theater. Must be here, but I don't see. But this is the game one, which is the crane game, which you can pick up the Godzillas, like the items from the crane games. here, but I don't see anything. Here, if you are the Japanese figure set fan, I saw the item there. You can purchase them. These are nothing but the Godzilla stuff. Just like a sidetrack that before looking at the ITOEN vending machines. Yeah, just simply like checking what they have. So this is something as along with finding ITOEN's vending machines. While looking at this, I almost gave up. I spent about 15 minutes looking out from the basement all the way up to this top of the buildings. And finally, I called the ITOEN's Kawasaki office and asked about it. Where is the ITOEN's vending machines in this building? I talked to the lady. She doesn't know anything about it. And later, there's a salesperson giving a call and told me that the ITOEN's vending machine is located at the 5th floor. This is a sidetrack. Let's show you what they are showing at the Japanese movie theater at the Toho Cinema. These are the type of a movie they're seeing. But yeah, I'm going down because so once I know the ITOEN vending machine is located at the Tsudaya's, the bookstore. Used to be that Tsudaya is a sponsor for Pokemongo too. So maybe there's a reason why the ITOEN vending machine is located at the ITOEN's, not the Tsudaya's bookstore, in the Tsudaya's bookstores. So just a glance at it as if you are interested in the movie theater at the Toho Cinemas. But I'm going down to the 5th floor. Okay, moving down to taking the escalator. Yeah, I need to go up there. I'm going down there. Okay, so going down there. This is a dining area, so I'm skipping this floor. So moving down to this is the Tsudaya's bookstore's corner. Okay, but before I look around the Tsudaya's bookstores, but I don't see any sign of it. Okay, so all I can do is I need to walk all the way to the other side. I don't see nothing but all the figures. Yeah, here's the Tsudaya's bookstore. Can you believe? Do you see any sign of the vending machines here? Well, nothing like it so far. So if you don't know anything about this building and if you don't have any information, you are not gonna believe the ITOEN's vending machine is located in this floor. So I'm keep moving to see until I find it. Okay, here I pass the bookstore corner. This is like a DVD and checking out, and the CD and the DVD. But I see nothing but all the shelves of display. Where are the vending machines? Where is the vending machines? It is surely like here in the falls they located. Let's see. Although this is like a Tsudaya's bookstore, the Tsudaya has another thing. This is nothing got to do as a bookstore, but they have a different thing, exercise one and another one. Okay, here. Okay, so I see the table. This is when you play the card games, It's about 100 people. I finally found the ITOEN's vending machines here. This is ITOEN's. Pokemongo sponsors ITOEN's vending machine at the back of this Tsutaya's bookstores. How difficult to find this. It took me almost like a 30 minutes to find it. When I came all the way, this location is very unique. When you play the card game, not only the Pokemon, and also any other games card here. So this is meant for the people who play the card. So on the table and chair, they are here to battle for other opponent to use these card. So this is the card they are going to purchase or they're going to need it. I thought those are the Pokemon Go card, but when I look closer, they are the different game has a different card. So not only the Pokemon's card, other game companies' cards is right here too. So this place, this is like a vending machines, a trading card. So you can purchase from this vending machines. This is more like a sidetrack because I already found the ITOEN's vending machines. Here is very unique, very unusual to see all kinds of card. And some of the card I'm looking at, it's kind of expensive too. If you are familiar with it, maybe those card information type is very useful for you. For me, is these are kind of expensive one. They are in the display. So this place is very unique. This is like a part of the Tsutaya's bookstore. So you never know. Tsutaya has this like a trading card and the place for play the card games. Well, that's about it. To find a very cryptic the ITOEN's vending machine, it was very difficult to find. It spent almost 30 minutes to find it. Well, when you have a chance to come down to this building, you are surely easy for you to find this ITOEN's vending machine for next time. Well, see you next time. Bye.